Hey everybody, this is E, and welcome to the world E to Z. That's right, we make everything easy. It's a play on my initials, it's funny. Alright, today we're going to do some stuff in Photoshop. We're going to be using the Marquee Tool. And we're going to be just trying out a few things in it, and I'm going to make a longer video after this. So this is going to be the shorter one. Let's get started. All right, I already have a layer here because I'm a dummy, so I'm going to delete it. And when I press delete, it won't do it. That happens sometimes. So I'm just going to drag it on down and put it in the trash. Here we have a new layer. We already went over this in the other video you should have watched. And if you aren't watching it or shouldn't have or haven't yet or whatever the heck, watch it. Meow. It's going to be one of these corners. Okay. So we're going to create a new layer. We're going to do the Marquee Tool. So how do we do it? I want a perfect square. Not yet. Hold your horses. Let's start off with just a regular marquee. What can I do with this? I can make a rectangle by just holding down and drawing. If I let go, my dancing ants stay there. I'm going to do Command D to deselect. I want to make just a line. Easy. Can just draw and make it super thin. And I can do Command plus, plus, plus. Scroll up until I see it. That way it gets bigger. Look, bigger, bigger. Oh my goodness. What can I do? I can come over here and I can fill this line, let's say with black. And I'm gonna fill it and put it over here. Oh no, I don't see my paintbrush. Ugh, crap. I'm just gonna make sure that my caps lock isn't on. I'm gonna put that in there, just drop it, hit it with the mouse. I do Command minus to back up. I see my dancing ants. Command D to unselect dancing ants. Look at my line. Oh my god. I'm gonna delete that because I don't really care about that anymore. I'm gonna create another layer. We're still on the rectangular marquee, square marquee. I'm gonna hold down Shift. Shift makes it so you can make a perfect square, perfect circle, a perfection of whatever you need. And really it's just a circle or square, so that's it. So we're going to hold down Shift and drag. You can't Command D, drag and hit Shift. Yeah, you can. Okay, Command D. Command D always deselect. So I'm going to hold Shift, drag it. I'm going to come over here, paint bucket. I want a blue, hit the blue. Okay, I'm going to paint bucket it in there. Command D to deselect. Look at that. How do I get it in the middle? I have my rulers here, but what if you don't see your rulers? Come up to view, hit rulers. View rulers are checked because I was seeing it. Rulers. And I have extras on because I already drew my line, so let me put on my extras. I'm going to come over to my select tool, and I'm just going to move these over, and you can see when it gets into line because it turns into that like crunchy between line thing. I'm going to move it up. Okay, so I know that this is a perfect 2.5. What? All right, so we want to put it exactly in the middle. I'm going to come over here and I just put my cursor in the middle of either one of the rulers, and it's going to snap to and snap to. Snap to, yeah. How do I know that I have my snap to on? View, snap to, which is snapping to, and make sure that I have my snap on. Meow. So I'm going to come up to my select, make sure I'm on that layer. I'm just going to drag it. Alternatively, you can do Command T, and that'll make it a little bit better. So I'll probably be able to see the double pink lines. So give it to me. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay. Perfectly in the middle. I don't want to see these lines anymore. View, extras off. Enter. Okay. Looks good. Perfect. All right. So we're going to name this, because we're great at naming, blue layer. I'm going to turn that blue layer off. I don't want to see it anymore. Let's create another layer. Let's make a circle. Let's make an oval. Hold down, click elliptical marquee tool. So I'm going to make one. Let's fill it with a blue. Command D. I want it on another layer because I'm working on other layers. What if I want to change, you know? Let's make another one. Hit the marquee. Now we're just on it. I'll make it this way. Look bigger. And I'm going to fill it with yellow. Command D. Great. Perfect. What if I want to intersect these? Let's say I want to take this shape out of this shape. Meaning I want to move this one and take out, let me move it on top. take out the blue you see from the yellow. So it would be more like negative space, like the yellow, it would be white, and this, you wouldn't see this anymore. So, oh, that'll be in the next one. Stay tuned for the next video, and you can find out what to do with more stuff around the Marquee Tool, because it's a great tool to use, and you'll use it in almost every single project. I hope this helped, guys, and have some fun in Photoshop. This is The World E to Z with E. See you later.